Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna share with you the best chocolate chip cookie recipes. Before that, please remember to like and follow me on Instagram at tien.sg for more. I always make big batches of these cookies and it's always gone within 1 week. The kids love this so much, but of course you can't eat too much. Remember to drink lots and lots of water after eating this. You can see the chocolate chip cookies. These are the crispy crunchy ones, and you can see when I break it apart, it's so airy, so crunchy, and it's so addictive. So let's get baking. Just to mention a special item that you need to make these cookies, you need a really small cookie scoop so that you can have smaller cookie sizes, but of course it's entirely up to you. For me, I like them bite-sized. Let's start with the first ingredient, unsalted butter and brown sugar, and then we will have a large egg. Pardon me, I poked the egg yolk here, and then the canola oil or vegetable oil, and of course the dry ingredients listed here, and lastly of course the chocolate chips. It's entirely up to you, dark or semi-sweet. And let's cream them together, the butter and sugar, before we start anything. So at first I use a spatula for the mix, and then of course you can also use a whisk or the hand mixer for this. It will be much easier. And whisk it about 2 minutes or so, and then make sure to gather the sides and make sure everything is even, and whisk again until it has a change of color. And then you have 1 egg, drop it in and whisk it around. After it is evenly mixed, then you can drop in your 6 tablespoons of oil and whisk again. Make sure it's all well mixed before you start with the dry ingredients. So once done, let's stop there and whisk the dry ingredients first. And now we're gonna drop the dry ingredients in half, and you change to spatula at this point because you're gonna just fold the flour in. And this is how you fold it. Just bring it down from the bottom up. I'm gonna just slow down the video a little bit to show you how to fold. And this is the folding technique, and make sure that you don't overmix. Just continue doing this until it's all well blended together. Ensure you always grip the sides and don't overmix. And at this point we can pour in the chocolate chip cookies, and here you go. The penguins say hi. I dropped the chocolate chips in 2 batches so that we will get a more even dough. Once done, get a cling wrap and cover the dough and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes is up, get it out from the fridge and get your cookie scoop and scoop them out all on the tray like this. So we will get another spoon to just flatten them out later, but I'll show you that there's not much difference between the two, and I'll bake 2 types just to get a different feel. This is the one that's flattened, and then we'll put it in the oven, the one not flattened and the flattened ones at the same time. And here you go, here's the result, and they look the same, similar, and they are equally yummy. So here goes, pack, and they're all ready for consumption. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and like my video for more. Thank you.